Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Sean Dexter and I'm back to you with a quick update on Bitcoin USD. This is just going to be a quick morning update video on what we discussed yesterday. What did we discuss yesterday? Well, we talked about the 2-day and how it was going to be a really important close. Essentially, if we broke anywhere, well, closed, right word to be using is close. If we closed anywhere over 12,000, I would be looking for continuation to the upside. This morning, not less than an hour ago, actually, we closed that 2-day candle right over here, this 2-day candle, and closed well above 12,000. And what do you know, guys, right after that close, right after that, we saw this continuation candle, nice surge to the side, breaking actually a key level of around 12,780 ish. Right, let's put on a 4-hour, get that right here. As you can see, this cluster over here, guys, we kind of broke it, not quite just yet. Let's go ahead and put our horizontal right there. So this is what we want. Okay, we want to see the next 4-hour candle goes above this level. Let's say 12,800 ish, right? Anywhere over 12,800, we start closing multiple 4-hour candles throughout the course of today. Over that, I would be looking for even further upside very soon. But hey, we don't really need that, right? Because higher time frames always win. I do want to talk about that a bit as well, guys. I don't want you guys to get wrapped up in the low time frames just because I pull up the 4-hour chart and the 12-hour chart. Don't get discouraged out of your long-term positions because of the lower time frames. The lower time frames are going to have their pullbacks. They're going to be trying to find equilibrium before they move and line up with what the higher time frames are saying. But higher time frames always win. Right now, the 2-day is saying that we are very well in the clear. We have a breakout of this flag formation, and hey, my opinion, this is pointing to targets much higher. I know a lot of people are going to disagree with me on how I'm doing it, but I've back tested this and this works, guys. You can say around 16,100, right? A rough target of that sorts with this formation breaking to the upside. But let's not forget, on the 4-hour also have, let's put this back, formation, there you go. On the 4-hour we also have inverse head and shoulders that is also being played out, right? People tend to forget about these other formations, get caught up in the lower time frames. Another example of that happening, getting a few messages where people are getting focused on the ascending triangle on the 1-hour and the 2-hour time frame over here and forgetting about this bigger formation on the 4-hour and the 12-hour time frames has broken to the upside and is playing out. This measured move is still pointing to 14,200, guys. You can see Bitcoin making its way up there, and yes, it's going to print smaller time frame formations while it gets there, but don't lose sight of the higher time frames. 12-hour have a inverse head and shoulders that broke out to the upside. The 2-day now, this is like a flaggish formation that has confirmed a break to the upside. Closing another 2-day candle anywhere over 12,000 would be a complete kill of this formation, and we are likely to see continuation upside. Yeah, that's just a quick morning update on Bitcoin to what we discussed. Let's go ahead and look at the daily quickly. The daily are looking at this level right here. We'll put this on. Actually, the daily is saying 12,923, right? It looks like we are right there, not quite there yet, but almost there, right? Closing a daily candle above 12,929 again would be another sign of bullishness. But hey, the 2-day is still more important than the day. A lot of eyes are going to be on this level. A lot of eyes are going to be watching 12,929. Go ahead to the weekly now quickly, and that lines up with these wicks over here. Perfect. Yeah, so 16,200, right? So the measured move for the 2-day bull flag formation is lining up with the 16,245 weekly target. So let's go ahead and mark that as well. So 16,245 is going to be a key level that I'm going to be looking at. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Quickly discuss Ethereum. Let's see what's going on over there. So what's going on over here? Remove all our lines, and so yeah, Ethereum did break into the cloud, right? In yesterday's video, we talked about how Ethereum, if it starts closing a 4-hour candle inside the cloud, I'm gonna look for a retest of the bottom of the cloud and likely the Tenkin as well, and we got there. Hey, close enough is close enough. As you can see, Ethereum did get front run at the bottom of the cloud, which is actually a good sign, and right after that you see the pullback up, and the edge to edge to the top side of the cloud. So this is a classic move as well, right? And this is exactly what we talked about yesterday, right? We're looking for the 4-hour to break inside the cloud, which would line up with the Tenkan Kijun test. Oh, we didn't quite get. Okay, there you go. Now you got your TK. Okay, this is what I want to be a little bit more clear about. So you got your TK cross, okay, your bearish TK cross on your Ethereum 12-hour chart. But what did we talk about? We talked about how if Ethereum pops over the cloud and starts closing candles over the cloud, and then we get the bullish cross, right? Similar to what happened over here, guys, right? We got your bearish cross, you got your bearish cross over here first, popped over the cloud, and then you get your bullish cross and you surge to the upside. That's what we'll be looking for over here too. Just because I use the word bearish, I don't want you guys to be thinking, right, that we're going to have a huge move to the downside. As long as the cloud is green, the trend is still up. You're going to have pullbacks, guys, but the trend is still up. Look at the high time frames. Look at your high time frames. The trend is still up. You're going to have these huge pullbacks, and of what? To the tune of 21%. It doesn't matter. Even though Ethereum had a pullback of 21% at 282, we went all the way up to 360 after. So if you're playing the long-term trend, don't get caught up in the high time frames. Yes, there's resistance over here, yes, but at the same time you have support on your other time frames. So patient, guys. I don't want you guys to confuse short-term pullbacks with the trend changing. It's going to take a lot. It's going to take a very decisive move for the trend to change. When I'm talking about short-term pullbacks, it's sometimes more for people who are looking to get into position, or if you're not already in position and you're trying to be a little bit safer with how aggressive you are. That's Ethereum. Again, BTC is still king, moving aggressively, while Ethereum is taking a chill pill, waiting its turn. Does not mean it is bearish. I want to be very clear on that. I do apologize if I have not been as clear as I intend to be on just that note, right, on the bullishness or bearishness of a certain chart. Again, guys, BTC is going to lead the way for now. Again, getting all the way up to 12,903 now. There we are at our daily resistance line. Yep, not quite there yet. $50 more, but I will be expecting, if we blow right past this on first pass, that will be extremely bullish. But I think the algo bots will be stepping in at around 9,950, 12,950, and putting in some sells. That's just how it works. So don't get scared out of your positions if that happens. But hey, if you're playing the range trade, by all means, your targets are your targets. I'm not your financial advisor. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick morning update video. I will be doing another one later this evening. Hey, probably even in the afternoon. If you guys do want one, let me know in the comments down below, because I think we're going to see a lot of action in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. So I'm glad to do these videos, guys, as long as there are people interested in them, right? So yeah, that's it for this morning. I'm gonna go ahead, make myself a quick breakfast. I haven't actually had a nice decent breakfast in freaking a long time. So throw the video a like, throw the video a subscribe. Trade the mango way, trade stress free, trade the simple way. My name is Sean Dexter. I'll see you guys in the next video.